Hello, my name's Colin from hdcctv.co.uk, high definition CCTV specialists. In this video we're going to compare 2 megapixel 1080p cameras, 5 megapixel and 8 megapixel 4K CCTV cameras and see if it's really worth upgrading or whether 2 megapixels is good enough for you, or maybe 5 perhaps is best for you. Let's take a closer look. 2 megapixel or 1080p is 1920 pixels by 1080. 5 megapixel is a 4:3 ratio screen, so more square, more boxy, and that is 2560 by 1960 pixels. And 8 megapixel is what's known as 4K, and the resolution is 3840 by 2160 pixels. To carry out the test, I mounted 3 varifocal IP dome cameras onto an old piece of board. I connected them all up to a 4-channel recorder so they would all record the same thing at the same time, and I set all cameras to the same frame rate, the same bit rate, and I adjusted all the settings so they were all identical. The 3 cameras used were X2C 2000 VV-W, X2C 5000 VM-G, and X2C 8000 VM-W. So I hung the board out of my bedroom window and it's just looking out over the drive in the back garden. This is the 8 megapixel camera you're seeing now. Just to give you an idea of scale, the distance from the camera to the front of the silver car is 8 meters. From the camera to the garden fence, garden gate, is 17 meters. And in a minute you'll see a shot of a green recycling bin on the garden itself, and that is 25 meters from the camera. Okay, you're now looking at the playback screen of the NVR, just playing back the separate files that I've recorded here. As you can see, I can zoom in digitally using the mouse wheel just to go into the details of the shot, just to give you an idea as we're comparing the resolutions. On the left you have 8 megapixel. In the middle, 5 megapixel, on the right is 2 megapixel. So you can clearly see the number plates get worse in quality as the pixels go down, and this is a digital zoom. Looking at both the white and the yellow plate, you can see the quality is lost even at the distance to the gate, which is only 17 meters. Let me replay this video in real time so you can see how it actually looks. Next we've got this shady looking fella. On the left 8 megapixel, on the right 2 megapixel, in the center 5 megapixel. Again, you can see details, and I'm actually quite close to the camera there. I'm about 5 meters from the camera. Here I've got a shot of an 8 megapixel on the left and a 2 megapixel on the right, just to show you a wide angle view is very, very similar. It's only when you look at detail that you need the higher resolution. So if you just want to see there's someone there, what car they're in, what colour the car is, that sort of thing, low resolution, no problem. If you must see the detail, then high resolution is required. When it comes to nighttime footage, there's not a massive amount of difference between the 2 megapixel and 8. As you can see here, we've got a chap walking on his phone. I can see all the details on the right as I can the one on the left. Another one here, guy walking. This one's a little bit more detailed with a fox across the road. But again, the 2 megapixel is picking up everything just the same as the 8. So I guess you need to decide what exactly you want to do with your CCTV system before you decide what resolution to go for. If you want just general wide angle views, there's people going to come close to the camera, or you just want to generally observe what's going on in an area, then 2 megapixel is absolutely perfect, and it's ideal for homes or business users. Middle of the range we have the 5 megapixel, which is going to give you a taller view, so you'll see more height in the picture. You'll get more detail than you do at 2 megapixel, so it's about a mid-range resolution of the 3. It's ideal for larger homes, small to large businesses, and for gathering evidence. And choose 8 megapixel if you want the best, the sharpest, the clearest, and with the most detail at any distance. This is ideal for your gadget heads like myself, who simply must have the best, tech-savvy home users, businesses large and small, and for, of course, gathering evidence. That concludes this video. I hope you found it useful to help you decide on the best resolution for your CCTV needs. All the equipment shown on this video is available to buy now on our website, hdcctv.co.uk. You can telephone us on 01952 505 696, or use the blue button in the bottom right corner of the website to contact us for live chat. Thanks very much.